Good morning and welcome. Today I will talk to you about the EPAN crate, a sturdy and secure packaging solution designed to provide superior protection during the transportation and storage of your goods. The EPAN crates are made with high-quality plywood panels, which are strong, flexible, and durable. This makes them particularly suitable for supporting heavy loads during stacking. The EPAN crate offers excellent protection against weather conditions, making it ideal for shipments that require resistance to challenging transport conditions, such as maritime or land transport. EPAN stands out for being a high-quality plywood crate with superior safety standards for shipments. It ensures great protection against weather conditions. Additionally, it complies with the ISPM 15 FAO phytosanitary regulations. EPAN crates are ideal for transporting building materials such as tiles or bricks, which require solid protection during transport in outdoor environments. They can also be used to ship delicate industrial components, such as machinery or construction equipment, that require a robust structure to withstand difficult weather conditions and heavy loads. If the EPAN crate meets your needs, feel free to contact us for more information.